Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you on how I wash my car. As you can see, it is raining right now and this is refilmed the day after I washed the car. So just bear with me a little bit. The first product that I use to wash my car is this Maguire's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner. You could get this at any hardware store, Advanced Auto Parts, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. And then for my tires, I use this Wet and Black Turtle Wax Tire Shine that I spray onto my tires at the end of washing. I will use 2 buckets, one of them for the tires and the other one for the car, as well as 2 rags. Now let's wash my car. The first thing that I like to do is spray down the car, loosen any dirt and debris that is caked onto the car for much easier cleaning. Starting off with the front, the wheel wells, the tires, and the back. So once I spray down my car, I grab a rag and I begin cleaning my wheels. I clean all the spokes, in between, behind the wheel, the logo, and then the tire itself to make sure I get all the spots and dirt off. Once I clean the wheels, I begin cleaning the actual car, starting off with the front grille, making sure I get in between the tight spaces underneath the intake for the AC, and cleaning the windshield and hood. So now I move on to cleaning the passenger side door, the mirror, the windows, the top of the car, and the door handles. Moving on to the back of the car, I clean the rear window, the tail lights, exhaust pipes, the license plate, and the trunk. So once I am finished washing my car, I will now spray it down, making sure to remove all the soap off the windshield, the grille, the headlights, which if you leave soap on the car or the windows, you'll leave soap residue and possibly damage your car's top coat. Even though it does have wax in the car wash itself, it's important to remove all the soap off your car. So after rinsing the car, I then take a towel and start drying the car, the windows, and tires. Once I do that, I spray on the tire shine, which I did not show in the video, but all you need to do is take a rag, spray the tire shine on the rag, and then fully coat all the tire. Make sure your tires are completely dry before proceeding. Now that I am finished washing the car, here's a quick preview on what the car looks like. The car came out very nice, if I must say so myself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below future video suggestions. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video, starting off with today's video. Hit subscribe because we are on our way to 100 subscribers. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.